welcome back to my channel. So my name is Tanya, and in this video I will be sharing my new car that I got. Yes, I got a new car for 2021 and I'm super happy, super excited to be sharing with you guys. I will be sharing with you guys all the details of what this car has, the features and how it looks like in the inside and in the outside, as well as some stuff that I found out that this car has and I did not know, but I will share with you guys all of that. And let's see. Oh, also I want to share with you guys my lashes. This is my lash line that I have. I do have a lash shop online, and I will leave all of that information down below if you guys want to shop my store, whether you guys want to shop for yourself or a gift for someone, or check it out. So I am wearing one of my lashes right now. It is called Fairy Tale. Love it. It just kind of flares out at the end. So enough rambling now. Let's just get this video started.
Here I will be showing you the outside of the car and how it looks. I do have the Toyota Corolla 2021 Sport Edition, and it is in the color white, and it has just kind of like black accents. So as you guys can see, love that front look, super sporty with the black grille. And then the side view also has like the sporty wheels, which is why I like the Sport Edition. And then at the top, if you guys could kind of see, I do have a black nightshade. So it is different than any of the other cars because it has that black accent at the top, which looks really nice at night and in the daytime because it adds like a little twist to the car. And this is how the side view looks like, and then towards the back here is the look of it. Here at the bottom we do have the Corolla sign, and then we do have on the sides of the wheels we have the Corolla with the rim kind of like black with hints of silver. I love how this looks. And as for the bottom back portion of the car, we do have another black grille, very low at the bottom. And then we have the Sport Edition right there at the corner, and then a small wing. We also have this new key that I have never gotten before. So this is how my keys look like. I did put a nice silicone cover in hot pink, and it looks like this. This is how the key looks like. So it's pretty much, you could push it in towards the inside, and then you could just press the button to push it out, and then it just has the lock and open, and then the trunk. Now let's take a look at the inside of the car. This is how I shift gears, the park, reverse, neutral, and drive. And it looks a little different for sure because of the way it's positioned. And then here we have the wheel. I do have this super fuzzy wheel cover on there, and then the bottoms look like this. Here on the sides I do have this where I could adjust my seat height, which I love and appreciate. And then the rest of the car is black, as well as the seats and the mat. Sorry, it's kind of dusty, but it was raining. It's been raining, so the backs of the car kind of looks like that. Blue seat cover accent, and then just all black seat. It is not leather. So my old car was a leather seat. This one is not. It's just a soft fabric. So I do have all these cables. I do have my phone plugged in inside the front USB cable, and this is what creates my projected screen, where it mirrors whatever I have on my phone, such as maps and my contacts, and it'll mirror it right on my screen up there. And then here we also have the emergency brake, which looks like that. It automatically goes into emergency brake for you once you are in park, which is pretty convenient just in case you ever forget or you don't have to pull that lever down or up. And then these are the cup holders. They do not have a thing to kind of like hold your cup or move the cup holder, but it's okay. Then my AC, defroster, heater buttons are all here at the front. Very convenient, very easily reached. And we also have, like I said, my screen right here, which has all the buttons here on both left and right side. And this is how it looks like for when I have my right hand. We just have the basic buttons, skip. I love my furry cover in black. And then here is the front of the car. I did kind of turn it on for you guys so you guys could see. It does have a blue and red accents. And then here is how it looks like when I'm turning on the vehicle. It just has your contacts there at the front, which you can select and hold, and then everything else on the sides. This is my left side, and then this is, like I said, both sides of my steering wheel. We do have it in park right now, and then it'll tell you the miles per hours. It does have like a little screen where you guys can see the temperature outside, the miles per hour, the distance to empty, and then how many miles are in your car, as well as the lanes for like if you're too close to one side, like the left side or the right side, it will beep to keep you centered. This is how my audio looks like. So I am playing from my phone on Spotify, and I am using Android Auto Connect, which is using my USB port to connect to my phone and then mirroring my phone onto the screen. As you guys can see, it is right there at the right side. After apps, it says Android Audio, and I have my Samsung connected, and that's how I am playing on Spotify. And then for maps, it'll also show you your maps. Because I am connected on Android Audio, like I said, it will project what I have on there as well, which is really nice and really helpful because I could not get that navigation to work for some reason. All right, here is the driver's seat mirror. So I just kind of pulled it down. Here you guys go. I have the little light up there when I open it. And then here I have an extra little what is it called, sun visor, where I can extend it, and that's super nice because sometimes I feel like it is not enough just to kind of block the sun, so this is like an extension. And up here at the top we do have some of our light buttons, and then we have like a help button just in case you come into an emergency right there, and it is encased. We also have an air freshener, which I added. It is blue just to match everything. And then here we have a nice armrest, guys. I did not have this before, so I could just pretty much pull it out and it will extend over the cup holders and then create like a super comfy armrest whenever you're driving, just because sometimes the center is kind of too far back, and I like this a lot. And then here is my rear view camera. It just has the red line whenever you're getting too close, and then the outsides kind of look like that. It is a wider camera. Here we have the mirrors. So we have the joystick for the left and right mirrors. Adjustments kind of looks like this. You can turn it, you can like kind of move it around how you would like. And then once again, here is how it looks like when it turns right on. All the lights right there. And then also my scent is Bora Bora. It is my favorite car scent. Trust me guys, it smells so good. I always get a lot of compliments. But that is pretty much it for my car tour and how it looks like for the Toyota Corolla 2021. Hopefully I did not forget anything to mention, or if you guys have any questions, let me know. Maybe I'll film another video like more in depth and kind of how I organize and style it. So stay tuned for that. But enough rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!